Hello, and welcome to this beginner series. I wanted to create this series for several reasons. First of all, I know many people are a little trepidatious about getting into a studio, and you may just be wanting to check out this yoga thing and see if it's for you. So I wanted to bring these videos as a way for you to practice at home and to see how you feel about it. The other thing is, it's really easy to get concerned, especially when we're in a class of, are we doing it well? Are we doing it right? We want to be careful about the right and wrong, but there is alignment that I find to be important. So in the beginning, I'm going to take you through some tutorials, just really showing you how to set up the poses. And then I will also add a yoga flow. So when we say yoga flow, it's a movement of poses. Maybe what you've seen on TV or something like that, where we're just moving pretty quickly through poses. So I want to be able to walk you through how to get into each one first, and then we'll go back and we'll put them all together so you can see how it feels to flow with them. I'd also like to say that there are many different kinds of beginners. Some people are athletic and they come from a gymnastics background or dancing, swimming, something like that. Other people are not so athletic and may feel really uncomfortable kind of moving through the practice or even uncomfortable in their bodies. And I just want you to know that it's okay. Wherever we're coming from is good. And we're all going to meet in the same place. Some will be building strength. Some will be looking for flexibility. But we're all going to be finding that connection within. So I'm really looking forward to sharing this practice with you and working with you. Thank you so much.